only. Isn't it a good news? Yes, this is a good news because पहले स्टूडेंट्स को कन्फ्यूजन होती थी कि मैम ब्रिटिश काउंसिल अच्छी है या आईडीपी में एग्जाम दे. नाउ दिस कन्फ्यूजन हैज़ बिन पुट टू एन एंड नाउ. बट ये कन्फ्यूज़न ख़त्म हुई, अब लोगों को और कन्फ्यूज़न हो रही है एंड देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन दैट इज सर्कुलेटिंग इन द मार्केट एंड द सोसाइटी अराउंड. समवन इज सेइंग दैट कि आईडीपी ने एग्जाम बहुत ईजी कर दिया है. अनदर वन इज सेइंग दैट स्पीकिंग के क्यू कार्ड्स चेंज हो गए हैं एंड सम अदर पीपल आर ऑल्सो सेइंग दैट कि जो इवेल्युएशन का मैथड है वो ऑनलाइन हो गया, दैट रीडिंग एंड लिसनिंग अब ऑनलाइन कंप्यूटराइज टेस्ट होती है. So there is no such changes like this. If there is any kind of changes, they display it on their official website, right? Now another one is also saying that के writing module के pattern change हो गए. So to end this confusion, I am here introducing you with my YouTube series where I will be covering everything that is related to writing module and specifically essay. Okay, so let me give you a brief outline of that in that series what are the topics that I am going to cover up. So first one, we are going to cover up the introduction to essay writing. It means in this we are going to check out it what are the whereabouts and what are the components of writing a good essay. Okay, in the second part we are going to learn the organization, that how to write a well structured essay by using the formula power. Right, and third part of this series will cover up agree disagree essay. As you know that agree disagree essay is of two types and most of the students get confused between the structure of both of them, and this will be cleared in your that part. Next one, we are going to learn the use of complex structure, that where is the exact place in the essay where we need to involve our complex structure here, and how many complex structures do we need to include into our essay. Okay, so next one is discuss both view essay, and here the most of the confusion is that where to add on to our opinion, whether the right place is in the introduction part or in the conclusion part. Okay, so next one is role of examples, and specifically this will focus on the use of conditional because people are just aware that there are only factual examples here. But no, there are other methods of writing examples too, as like conditionals. So 8th part will be covering up the use of collocations, and the 7th part will be covering up the essay advantage disadvantage. So collocations are a group of words that are used exactly every time, okay, and they are very essential to be included into our essay if we want to score more than 7 and nearly 9 bands. So last two parts will be covering up to the cause effect solution essay, and the last one is based on the crux of the whole discussion. It means do's and don'ts of essay writing. Okay, now at the end I just want to tell you that don't forget to watch all the parts of this YouTube series, because I assure you that after watching this there will be no confusion that will be left with you. Okay, so I am coming here on 15 August on Independence Day, so stay connected.